This is a recipe for breakfast sausage. You are going to need a bowl, 93% ground turkey, rosemary, sea salt, black pepper, and I actually forgot sage and nutmeg. So instead of that, I am going to be using Italian seasoning. You also need pure maple syrup and Pam, as well as a skillet and a chopper. So the first thing you're going to do is put your ground turkey in the bowl, add 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, take your 1 teaspoon of rosemary and chop it up and add that in. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and normally you do 1 teaspoon of sage and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, but I did a teaspoon of Italian. 2 teaspoons of cold water and 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. And I should have done this at the beginning, but take off your rings because you are going to mix this with your hands. After you're done mixing, then it's time to start cooking. So put your skillet on medium heat, spray with some olive oil spray, and then we're going to make patties. You should have a total of 8, and the actual size is a 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons. You can measure that if you want. I didn't. And you're going to cook them 3 to 4 minutes on each side before you turn them over. And after you flip them, I also like to press them down because they tend to get a little fluffy. I'm also going to make some zucchini. So I added some olive oil to a skillet, and I used my mandolin, which has a julienne setting. I'm going to flip my patties again and then add some bagel not included seasoning to my zucchini. Put that on the plate. Look how beautiful. Get my English muffins I made from scratch, toast them, which takes a while, so gotta wait. And then I'm going to add my sausage patties. You can also add egg, but I decided to add some pepper jack cheese, and enjoy. They're delicious.